In this video, we will review the design screen for the Wave Pro projects. The first part we will look at is the header information here. In the top, you have a way to open projects, go back to the home screen, things like that. Here you have a chance to change some of the info currency units you had previously selected for your project. In the middle here, we have three tabs. The first one is your chemical library. These are all the chemicals currently known to Wave Pro for your account. If you want to add a chemical, you would click down here and you could pick, for example, I want to add hydrochloric acid at a different concentration than is currently known to the system. So I would enter the new concentration and then hit save, and it would add it to my library. The next thing we have is the costs. These are the costs specific to this particular project, where you have a chance to enter the cost of feed water, wastewater, electricity. These are specific to this project. If you click this button here and make default, it would become, these three values would be copied into the default for your next new project. Similarly, here is the cost of all of the chemicals known to Wave, and you could update any of these costs to be specific for this project. So in this case, I have hydrochloric acid is 10 cents per kilogram, or you could make it 10 cents per liter, depending on how you purchase your chemicals. You can save your changes, and they'll apply to this project. If you click on Make New Default, they would be updated to be the new default prices for all future projects. And then if you have, once you start creating multiple cases within Wave, this would allow you to manipulate your cases. And that finishes our discussion on the header.